Rich, you. I used him as an anchor.
Yeah.
That's all Colorado. Collies, they make good dead weight.
It's a ghost town.
Four days in Brisbane. We saw a variety of cars, we saw a variety of people, we saw car enthusiasts. How do I sum it up? Roll the tape. Nick, I can't do these low cars, man. This car is way too low for me. Boys, good morning. Good. Nice to meet you. James. Yes, please. Yeah. We're rolling in this little thing. I feel like I'm part of a drift scene again. Roll up and I'll get into you after. For my city, I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been I know I've been the coast's greatest blessing. I'm breaking like my double island virginity today.
Really?
Yeah, I've never been.
Right.
And everyone speaks about it.
It's gonna be good. Day like today.
Well, the boys are saying there's no wind and stuff, so it should be fairly good.
Flash, eh?
Be on YouTube.
How good.
Greatest blessing. Better recognize a king when he rapping with you. You hoes suck, it's like you always bring a vacuum with you. Solid like a mannequin, but you ain't plastic, is you? Cause if you got a bone to pick, I got a matching issue. Talking about me, then it gotta be lies. Cause I never get a tag or a chance to reply. If you don't got the courage to mention me, then you can fuck yourself.
If not one of you drinks a Bundy today, I'll be fucking real disappointed. Poor form. No, they're both from Bundaberg. I was like, you're gonna put you both in the same car. What? This is on camera. I'm gonna make sure that Nick puts it in there. Yeah, I'll grab a beer. There's 4Xs. Great Northern, yeah. So what do you drink?
Just beer. No rums.
Really? No, you're right. I'm going to purposely get you now because you didn't want to be on camera.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been the coast's greatest blessing.
baby.
Went out of the big cruiser.
They come off again.
Well, the thing is, you used it as an anchor.
Yeah, I used him as an anchor. Yeah. Collies, they make good dead weights.
This is me.
This is you.
Well, I'm going to tear this down because a lot of the stuff like I said yesterday, I sold it.
Yeah.
It's all sold so people can... But I get a little bit fancy and run them all the way in cab.
Oh, really?
So you don't even have to get out of the ute. You just plug it in cab.
No way.
Yeah. I'll pretty much just run it in so that it's literally the controller that's usually on the box itself.
Yeah, and you just punch.
And I'll punch a hole in the dash on that side.
Yeah.
And that way he just grabs his controller, plugs it in while he's in the ute.
Change the game.
Yeah.
Change the game.